Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Android Studio, Gradle plugin, and a backup of your project in Google Services. JSON. Once done, open the Firebase console and select the target project or create a new one. Make sure your app's package name matches the Firebase app entry. If not, add a new Android app in Firebase with that package. Download the new Google Services. JSON. At this point, you're ready to switch files and update Gradle. Do not run the app yet. Now replace the app-level Google Services. JSON with the one you downloaded. Then open Project Build. Gradle and confirm the Firebase class path and Google Services plugin lines. Next, ensure the app module applies the plugin and lists required Firebase BOM or individual dependencies. Sync Gradle. Address any version conflicts or missing libraries. Once sync finishes, rebuild the project and watch for compile time errors. Make sure Firebase packages imported in code still match the versions you declared to avoid runtime signature mismatches. Finally, run the app on a device and monitor Logcat for Firebase initialization messages to confirm the new project is active. If you use authentication, dynamic links, or Google Sign-In, add or update SHA-1 fingerprints in the Firebase console and re-download Google Services. JSON if changed. If things go wrong, clear Android Studio caches, clean the project, and resync Gradle, then replace the config file again. One key tip: mismatched package names
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.